Hi there, my name is Martin, and I'm going to show you in just a couple of steps how our partnership would look like. And I will show you all the templates I have prepared so we can start with your project as fast as possible. So in the first place, what I'm going to do before we start working together, before I'm going to write any script, is I'm just going to deep dive into a deep research. So what is a deep research is I'm just going to evaluate everything about the market, understand the placement of this product on the market. So I'm going to search on Amazon, I'm going to search on Google, I'm going to search on TikTok, see what the competitors are saying, what the bad reviews are from the competitors, how are the ads based from the competitors, how are the hooks and the structure of the different scripts looking like. So I've heard already that you have something prepared. I've seen some documents from you as well, but we're going to take it a step further. Let me just go through the document really quick. So look, I'm going to go through Google research. I'm going to go to check also for the press. I'm going to check everything what's happening on Amazon. I'm going to deep dive into Amazon research with a plugin. I'm going to search on Reddit. I'm going to search on YouTube, what is happening in there. And I'm going to see like everything what's happening from the competitors. What are their offers, for example? How do the Facebook ads look like? Then I'm going to check for the direct competitors that are having the same product. Then I'm going to check for the indirect competitors that are having a similar product and solve the different product, but solve the same the same problem. I'm going to check the competitor reviews, as I already said. I'm going to search for the Facebook library. Here also I'm using AdNova. It's very similar to Foreplay, where I'm going to put together all the ads, where we can also then afterwards go through together it, and you can comment and say, what do you like about it? What are the headlines that are good? Or you can really analyze the competitors. Further on, I'm going to go through the comments in the ads, TikTok, search for TikTok trends and look for inspiration in there. Then if you want, we can go together to your ad accounts and see what's happening in there. Pinterest, post-purchase survey. If we have already enough customers that we can ask, we could just ask them a survey, offer them a discount to really see what motivated them to buy. Go a little bit deeper into the ad accounts, understanding desires, the market desires, understanding the objections of the market, the sophistication, understanding deeper the desires, alternate solutions, objections and problems we have to solve for. And it goes so on and on. This is going to be our dashboard where we're going to work together. So here are going to be the different scripts, script A, for example, the different documents linked. So the awareness stages, the category, if it's a new content or new concept or iteration, document linked from a Google Doc, the folder with the UGC videos, what are the learnings from the video that we learned after we uploaded, what are the mass desires we're targeting, what are new customer ROAS, is it the winner, what avatar is it for. I'm going to link also all the documents. I'm going to move forward to template, how a script for me looks like. So here also, like, it's very easy to see like what is happening in here, what script is it, what is the angle we're looking for, what is the framework we're using. It's a paint, agitate, solve. Here are the different hooks. Here are the audios for the UGC, what he has to record, or for the AI. Here's the visual, how the video should look like. And here is the editing. Also, if you have any B-roll, I'm going to sort or the B-roll you have, so it's easier to just navigate through the folders. I'm going to add here, for example, also B-roll from Envato or any other place where you can buy B-roll, and link some alternative B-roll if it's needed. Like, I don't know, a lady driving in a train or plane, or somebody touching their stiff neck. This type of videos like this can be added here, and I see this also, that this is a part of my work. I have these 3 different columns. One of them is for the audio, what should be recorded, how it should look like, and how it should be edited. There's also some notes to the UGC, so they actually record high quality videos. I'm also going to take care of the UGC sourcing. If you're interested in that, I'm going to look for fitting avatar for fitting people that are fitting the avatars. And yeah, also communicate with the video editor, so you actually get really streamlined video process and you actually get the videos instead of just getting scripts and here, this is done, this is finished. This is not my type of work. I'm going to deliver you videos. So if you have a video editor, what do you have? I'm going to communicate with him and you just get the videos which I directly upload into the ad account. What next? Also with the media buyer, I think in this case it's David. I'm going to have a very intense communication with him, see what is working, what isn't. We're going to document everything in Notion in this document and take those learnings to actually put those into the further future script. So we don't test over and over the same things, but we actually move on. Next and final thing is this creative roadmap. This is actually a summary from all the documents that we have. So we're going to have the research. We're going to, I forgot about one thing, you see. One of the very essential things is working on the unique mechanism. The unique mechanism is something that is like a formula that is, imagine this, you want to buy some special cream and you want to know why is it so special. You want to know the secret formula. So the secret formula behind this is, so I think in your case, it's this scaffolding or the support that the neck device gives you. So I think that this is, for example, the unique mechanism. But first we have to really analyze the problem, really dive deep into this problem. Why is it a problem? What are the causes and what could potentially happen if you keep using this or having this problem? We're going to dive deep into the solution and then we're going to explain it why the product is actually important. So this way we have a document that explains exactly this thing in a very medical way even. We're going to use this as a guiding star, as a sort of North Star throughout the documents. So we keep the consistency with the scheme, we keep the consistency with the topic, and also with the explanation, and we keep on touching the same explanations, the same problems, the same causes, and we don't have to research this every single time, and it's going to help to make everything very streamlined. So let's move on here into this creative roadmap where we're going to put all those informations together so we have everything in one place. It's important, for example, for the product name, the different features. Why are those features included? So you can, like, what you have this feature, for example, you have this feature that the neck is sturdy, so you can actually rest, so you actually feel more relaxed after you wake up, and dominant emotion, being happy, being relaxed. We connect this with a desire, and this is already matching desire. What is one of the most important elements when creating scripts or videos or creatives. We move on to the sophistication, just to really understand in which stage, how sophisticated the market is. We're going to dive deeper into what is the product, like really defining the product, what it is, what it isn't. Look into different mechanizations of the product, how it actually works. Search for the best ads, I think in this case of your competitors. Then we're going to look for the different avatars, what are there, who is potentially the person who will purchase this, maybe some like vacation traveler, digital nomad, somebody that wants to give a gift. We move on into the market desires, figure out what are the most common market desires that people have to purchase this product. Like for example, to feel healthy, to feel happy, to feel like you're doing something for your body. And these are all the different market desires we can target already as an angle. So also like in which areas this can be used. I think this can be used in plane, car, train. It's like so we get a bit deeper understanding of the product. And finally, we move to the product roadmap, where we're going to kind of assemble from all those information. So those different tabs are interconnected. We're going to assemble the different avatars, the different desires they have, the different benefits. We're going to position them. How are you going to make the angle? So finally, we have an angle that we can write and copyright and optimize for the market and for the product. How are we going to test? Here's a nice little roadmap on how I'm testing things. So first you have the product, then next we move to the offer. I think this is like your guys' thing to actually focus on the offer and product. I'm going to start here looking for the different desires, what the people have, because it's the strongest thing. If you find the correct desire and we speak the language of the people, we can make the strongest impact if we speak exactly the opposite of the language, is not going to generate any sales. So this is the strongest needle mover of all of it. We're going to move afterwards to the features and the benefits of the product, then to the different personas or avatars. Then we move into the different positioning, how we place the product. Then we move into the angles, and finally more angles. And afterwards, we have plenty of information already. We're going to find winning creatives in the first 5 batches. So that means like in the first 5 videos, it's optimal usually to find the the winning ad. We have already some learnings. We know what works, what doesn't, and what we can use in the future scripts and future creatives. I'm really looking forward to talk with you. I'm really looking forward to start working with you. I really resonate with your product. I think it's a cool thing, especially because you're doing it yourself and you're not just like drop shipping it or just really want to make the market better. So I'm really looking forward to starting this together, and yeah, let's talk soon. Bye.